Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be learning how to create a EC2 instance in AWS. So trying to make it as simple as possible, so even a beginner can create their EC2 instance by just watching this video. So what is EC2? EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Basically, it is a virtual machine which you can rent which you can rent in, and virtual machine is known as an instance here, which you can create. Like, you don't have to own the entire server. It is like renting it. Whatever as per your need, you can create your instance depending, and you can select your size of the instance depending on your depending how much traffic you are expecting. And this can be used to host a website, web app, or any backend application and backend APIs uh, application which you want to host. Okay, and access through IP or even with the domain. Okay, so coming to EC2, so we'll go to the EC2 console first. So here, as you see, we'll click on launch instance. We'll give it a name. It's my EC2 instance, let's say. Then we'll select the OS images. You can select from varieties of options available here. We'll go with Amazon Linux. So we'll go with Amazon OS. Then we'll be going with the x86 architecture. Then we'll be selecting instance type. So there are a wide range of instance type available: T2, nano, micro, small. Pricing will vary for different instance sizes that you can check on Amazon website depending on your region and instance size. So hourly pricing, the on-demand hourly pricing can vary. So here you can see for this on-demand basic pricing $0.058, for this $0.0162, for small is $0.032. So depending on your, as you go higher, the prices will increase. So if you see for X large, 2X large, it is $0.4332. So again, it will vary. So you have to select a size depending on the traffic you expect. And for testing to T2 micro, we can go with, and this is free tier eligible. We have this particular instances have the free tier eligibility, so we will go with this. We will select a key pair. So we already have a key pair tutorial, or you can even create a new key pair. You can just put a key pair name and go with the .pem file and click on create key pair. It will generate a new key pair. So as we already have a key pair, we'll go with this existing key pair. Then coming to network settings. In network settings, we have to allow SSH traffic so that you can do SSH and connect your application to your system using your PEM files and run different commands. You can install your dependencies, do a git pull and deploy it. And if you want, if you're hosting a website or web app, then you would want to allow HTTP or HTTPS from the internet, which you can do access the website. So for now, we'll not go with that. We'll just go with the SSH connection. So and this is good enough to start for testing purpose. Again, this can be increased depending on the project structure and the amount of data you are expecting. So this can increase. So we'll click on launch instance. This may take a couple of minutes to launch instance. So we'll go with, we'll remove this running filter. Now you can see already it is getting created. So the instance state is in pending, which means it is in progress. The instance is getting created. It will take another couple of minutes for the instances to be available with all the status check good, and then we can connect through SSH from our system. So now you can see our instance is already running. So, but still the status check is going on. So we'll wait another couple of seconds to see the health status basically, and then after that we'll connect through SSH from our system. So now the status check is also completed, and we'll connect it. So there are two ways to connect. First, we'll try to connect through the Amazon console. So we'll click on connect here, and again click on connect here. So it will open a new tab. So now you can see it is connected. So now you can see it is connected, and we can see we are in the root folder. You can create any directory if you want anything. So we can. So now you can use this to deploy your applications and install dependencies. Second way is to connect to your terminal, system terminal. So now we'll be showing you how to connect through your system terminal. So we'll go to our terminal. We'll do sudo chmod, and we'll point to our total key.pem, which we created a key pair. Then we'll give the system. This is done. Now we'll do ssh I again. Keypem. Our EC2 instance username is EC2 user @public IP. So yeah, now as you can see, we have logged into our EC2, and we are in the root folder, and here you can create. Now you can deploy your application, you can install your dependencies, and you're good to go to use your EC2. So thank you guys. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment any questions you have. I'll answer it as soon as possible. And thank you.